تحدث الإنجليزية الدرس الثالث. Holidays and vacations. Where do you like to go on vacation? I love going to the beach for sunbathing. Who do you usually travel with? I often travel with my family or friends. What did you do on your last holiday? We went hiking in the mountains. Can you swim in the ocean? Yes, I can, and I absolutely love it. Do you take photos on your trips? Yes, I love capturing memories. What's your favorite thing to do? Discovering new places and food. Have you tried skiing? Not yet, but it's on my list. What's the furthest you've traveled? To a different continent, Asia. Do vacations make you happy? Yes, very. I love them. Have you visited museums on vacation? Yes, they tell so much history. What do you usually do in the morning on vacation? I like taking long walks at dawn. And in the afternoon? I read books or visit local attractions. What about in the evening? I explore the local nightlife and dine out. Do you keep a travel diary? I do. It's nice to remember. Have you ever missed a flight or train? Once. It was quite an experience. How do you choose a holiday location? I look for culture and adventure. Do you travel for food experiences? Yes, tasting local cuisine is amazing. What do you pack for vacations? Just essentials and some comfy clothes. Have you ever had a holiday disaster? Yes, I lost my luggage once. How do you relax on vacation? By lying on the beach, usually. How do you find good travel deals? I search online and book early. Have you ever been on an adventure holiday? Yes, I went hiking in the wild. What's your best holiday memory? Stargazing in the desert at night. Have you ever traveled by boat? Yes, I went island hopping. Do you prefer historical trips? I find them fascinating, so yes. What's a dream vacation for you? Traveling Europe by train is a dream. Have you ever got lost on vacation? Yes, but it led to an adventure. Do you buy travel insurance? Always. It's important for safety. What's the best part of a holiday for you? The break from routine and adventure. How do you keep fit on a vacation? I swim and walk a lot. Is shopping part of your trip? Sometimes, especially at local markets. Do you plan holidays well in advance? I try, but sometimes I'm spontaneous. Do you prefer traveling by car, plane, or train? Train rides are scenic and relaxing. What's one thing you can't travel without? My camera. It's essential. Do you spend a lot of money during holidays? Not quite a lot because I set a budget. How much money do you bring for spending? Around $200. Is that more than you spend at home? Definitely. I like to indulge a bit. How do you feel when vacations end? Usually happy, but a little tired. Would you enjoy a cruise around the Mediterranean? It sounds lovely. I would like that. Do you prefer winter or summer holidays? I prefer summer. I love warm weather. What's your opinion on taking all vacation days at once? Yes, I think it's a great way to relax. Is it better to spend holidays with family or friends? I enjoy both. Tell me about your camping experiences. I camped in the woods last year. How do you feel about camping? Camping's fun. I go camping every year. Do you study during vacations? I try to avoid it, honestly. What about reading for pleasure? Yes, vacations are perfect for reading. Do you meet English speakers on holiday? Sometimes it's nice to chat with them. Do you practice other languages while abroad? I try to pick up basic phrases. How about spending vacations learning a new language? It's useful and enriching. What's your view on working camps in other countries? They offer a good mix of work and culture. Do you consider holidays to be too short or too long? They are too short. I wish they were longer.